Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today I'm going to show you how to make PANKO fried shrimp. So let's you and I head into the kitchen and make it happen. We have canola oil, we have shrimp, we have panko, flour, black pepper, sea salt, water, seasoned salt, and we have an egg. Hey guys, subscribe, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm going to show you how to butterfly a shrimp. This shrimp is a 26 to 30 per pound size, also known as extra large. 26 to 30 just means that there are 26 to 30 shrimp per pound. Now these shrimp already have been deveined, and the devein means removing the digestive tract from the back. There's also a black line here, but that's literally a vein. Now, to do this safely, I kind of like to do it like that, but you lay it flat, and you go from the back to the front. You try not to cut all the way through, and then you flatten it out. Like that. That's butterfly. Now you can remove this if you like. And if you do, take the tip of your paring knife and just go in like that. And crack an egg. Drop the shell in. You must drop the shell in or you didn't do it right. And we're going to mix this egg with this water. Give it a little scramble. We have our black pepper, our salt, and our seasoned salt. And mix these guys together. Now you have your butterfly shrimp and your seasoning, and we're just gonna get that seasoning on here. And use your hands, and we know they're nice and clean, to work that seasoning in. We're going to take a plate, and we're going to take our butterfly shrimp. You're going to dip them in the egg. Shake off the excess. Dip them in the flour. Shake off the excess. Dip them back in the egg. Shake off the excess. And dip them in the panko. And set them on a plate. Now you let these guys sit for a while, and you can see the coating is on pretty well. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna fry these guys up. We're gonna hook this stuff up like some boss. We're gonna get this pan on. We're gonna pour in some vegetable oil up 1 inch of the pan. Now we're gonna use our trusty laser thermometer to test the temperature. We want this to come up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you got your shrimp ready. You're waiting for the oil to come up to 350 degrees. You're gonna want a cooling rack over a plate. This is gonna go quickly once we start. I mean, it's all going down. It's gonna go down really fast. I'm gonna fry this shrimp, get it over here, sprinkle a little salt. You also need some trusty tongs. 347, that's good enough for me. Let's start dropping these guys in here. You want to put them in away from you, so the splatters, it splatters that way. I'm not gonna overcrowd the pan. You wanna make sure you do not do that. One more ought to be good. Like I said, it goes really quickly. Once they're golden brown, they're done. And you can see how well that coating stays on. Look at that. That's beautiful shrimp, guys. And once you take this out, you want to let the temperature come back up to 350 degrees before you drop your next batch. While they're hot, when they're right out of the pan, hit them with a little sea salt. Don't overdo it. You don't want it too salty. And these are delicious. See, this is the one we cut all the way through by accident. Doesn't matter. So good. Yo, the link to the recipe is in the description below. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.